Total War's epic battles and army building are iconic, but after a long day at work, sometimes I'm just too tired to put hours into a grand campaign. Sometimes I crave a quick, satisfying 15-minute roguelike sesh where numbers go up. So I created Tabletop Tavern, a game that mixes Total War's tactical battles with quick, roguelike game design, all set in a cozy tavern. I'm a solo dev, and I was able to make hundreds, if not thousands of units run silky smooth, even on modest PCs. How did I pull this off? Well, it uses Unity's ECS architecture, which I'll break down with an actual engineer from Unity who helped build this technology. But the best part, every clip you're seeing is real gameplay from the demo, which is free right now on Steam. Stick around to see how it plays, why it's so fast, and how you can get your hands on it for free today. Picture commanding a colorful crew of mercenaries, Viking berserkers, elven archers, maybe even a troll or two in a roguelike adventure. That's Tabletop Tavern. It's got two modes, Custom Battle and Campaign. In Custom Battle, you can test your tactical prowess by crafting battles with any unit against any other, creating thrilling, player-driven showdowns. Want to see 100 trolls crush a lone peasant?
Are you serious right now, bro?
There are unique factions to choose from, Vikings bringing elite infantry but lacking fancy cavalry, while elves dominate with deadly archers. It's perfect for testing endgame tactics or just bing chilling. Campaign is where the magic truly happens. Start with a leader, this dictates your starting units and faction. Grab the starting gear item that gives your troops a bonus, and set your difficulty. Your leader has perks which, combined with the gear item, spark wild build crafting. I am pumped to see what combos you all break the game with. The campaign map is procedurally generated, filled with shops, towns, unique events, and battles, the centerpiece of the game. Fight manually for that Total War thrill, as the gods intended, or auto-resolve if you're just chasing loot. After each fight, you face an important choice. You can collect gold to spend at shops on consumables or card packs, the main way you add units to your army. You can loot gear from the battlefield if it synergizes with your troops, or even conscript defeated enemies to join your army. Every decision shapes your run, and it's all about adapting on the fly. There are special events on the map. I've wanted to capture the vibe of playing D&D with the friends. I don't know what that's like, because I don't go outside, but I imagine it's a blast. You're presented with a scenario and a list of choices. Some options require gold, maybe a large army, or having specific units. This adds strategic depth, where you can go for a risky play with huge rewards if you roll high enough, or take a safer option. Then you roll a d20 and say a prayer to RNGesus. There's more to discover, but I'll let you explore it for now in the free Steam demo. By the way, drop a comment with what faction you want me to add. I've got a few new ones lined up, but we'll change plans if one is highly requested. Now, I wanted Tabletop Tavern to run great for everyone, even if you don't have a beastly PC. On my RTX 3080, it's buttery smooth, but it'll hum along on modest rigs too. So how does a solo dev make something with hundreds of units move seamlessly in Unity, an engine some folks link to janky asset flips? The answer is Unity's ECS, or Entity Component System. All you need to know about ECS is that it allows me to pre-allocate memory and cycle through it in an efficient way. Imagine a delivery driver with 1,000 packages. If the addresses are scattered all across the suburbs, it takes ages to deliver them. But if we, hear me out, do a little communism and move everyone into one apartment building all packed together, now the driver can zip through and deliver the packages in no time. Traditional object-oriented programming is like that scattered city. Memory is all over the place. ECS organizes data so your CPU can process it in one go, making Tabletop Tavern's massive battles super efficient. I got to chat with Danny. No, not the one that went out for milk and never came back, but a Unity engineer who spent the past few years building ECS. Here's a more complicated explanation.
Yeah, hi, my name is Daniel. I work on the entity stack for Unity. So ECS stands for Entity Component System. And so it's about having entities, and those entities have components, and a bunch of components then make up your behavior in this thing called a system.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Something called data-oriented design, getting like all the nooks and crannies from of like battery time,
it's
to, like how can we high scale. It depends on how you look at object-oriented programming. This was kind of long. You might have to edit it down a bit.
I might.
In all seriousness, a year ago, I knew nothing about ECS. If you're a dev that actually wants to learn about it from an expert, not a guy that looks like the love child of Dustin from Stranger Things and Sam Sulik, the Hot Path Show is a podcast by Danny and friend of the channel Turbo Makes Games, and I've linked it down below. Now, Creative Assembly built Total War with 300 developers. Me, I'm just one guy, coffee and an IV drip, and some awesome assets from Cinti Studios. Their low poly style lets me focus on making fun gameplay, not sweating over an entire art department. I know some folks aren't really into their look, but it's helped me bring my dream game to life, and for that I am truly thankful. I do have an affiliate link down below that gives me a small kickback if you buy stuff on their site, but it doesn't even matter if you use it. Just please support them. They're such a wonderful company. Here's the deal. I'm self-funding this. No Patreon, no Kickstarter, just my savings and a dream. If you want more Tabletop Tavern, please wishlist it on Steam. It's free, takes 2 seconds, and tells me you're excited. I've got huge plans for Tabletop Tavern, new factions, dozens of fun new units, and deeper mechanics. Multiplayer? I've actually built it before at my day job, but I know how much effort and time it will take. Show me this is worth it by wishlisting the game. Every bug report, comment, and playtest from this amazing community has shaped the game, and all the reporters on Discord can be seen in the in-game credits. I've got a long fall of coding ahead of me, so grab the demo, join the fight, and let's make this dream a reality. Seriously, please click the wishlist button below. For every wishlist, cat gets one pet. Try the free demo. Tell me what faction you want to see most in the comments, and I will see you in the tavern.